Hello, I am Sarvesh. I am studying 6th standard. I am studying robotics in Ashtrix School of Robotics. I made a project for Atom Project Exhibition. My project name is Obstacle Avoider. If there is an obstacle, it will stop. The materials required to make the obstacle avoider is one IR sensor, two BO motor and two BO motor wheels, power module, L29 3D motor driver and jumper wires, batteries. In real life applications, it will use it to, if there is an obstacle, it will stop, and the obstacle is over, it will grow. Thank you.